the stars.
Here's more fishing adventures with Jake Hernandez. Jake, what do you suppose we got on the line there, sir?
Maybe Yellowtail.
Okay, well we'll see. That nice silk bent rod. Starting to see some color. This isn't exactly giant squid fishing, but I think this is going to be way bigger than 8 pounds. Beautiful day off La Jolla. Fishing in an area that hasn't yet been closed by the MLPA. Come on, you can handle it, Hernandez. I got it. It's a nice Yellowtail. All right, here we go. Look at that sucker. Pull that baby up. Hey, nice job. All right, look at that Yellowtail.
When it was all yellow, your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
Got Jake Hernandez out here. Southern California, sunny afternoon. Yeah, go ahead, whatever you think. Got Jake Hernandez here. Yellowtail fishing in La Jolla. Captain Larry up there, manning the ship.
Don't pull the rod any higher than that right there. Reel back. You got kelp? The way the rod's shaking, it looks like you do. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I know, but it's might be in the cup. Who knows? Don't give me any slack. Good job. Almost went in. It's all right. Jake, you think that fish is way bigger than 8 pounds?
yellow. So then I took my turn.
Take your time, don't rush it.
Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew
get down there.
a line. I drew a line.
And there's what we ended up with. It's a nice fish there, Jake. Nice. Excellent.
And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
Some dolphin jumping right over here. Yeah.
It's true. Look how they shine for you.
A lot of babies.
Look how they shine for you. Look how
Dolphins
they
are your
shine.
friends.
Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you